Hey, what is going on, everybody? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing the 1969 Olds W30 442 from AMT. It is dated 2004. Here's the side of the box. Let's get it opened up. Here's our instructions, our decal sheet. I like the blue stripes. Looks like we have New York and Wisconsin license plates. Here's our chrome tree. Bumpers, intake. Looks like we got two different kinds of valve covers. Two sets of rims, the stock Oldsmobile, and these fancy ones. Looks like we get two different intakes. Looks like we can run a single or two carburetors. I'm going to put that back in the bag because I don't want anything falling off. Here's our tires. 2 slicks and 4 stock. Here's our body. Nice clean body. Here's our windows. I'm going to leave those in the plastic because I don't want them to get scratched. Here's our hood, our firewall, radiator, battery, master cylinder, front suspension, parts of our front suspension, parts of our rear, shocks. Here's our wheel backs, our engine. Look at the detail in that engine block. Look at that. Almost makes you want to build it as an engine being tore down. Got a real nice belt assembly. Nice detail on the heads. Bell housing, transmission. Nice radiator hoses. I cannot believe the detail in that engine. I don't know, I might have to build it with it being tore down just because of all that detail. Here's our front seat, our console, steering wheel, our pedals. Is that our pedals? Yeah. Our dashboard. Here's our interior tub, back seat molded in. I want to look at these tires because the box art shows red lines. I don't think these are just black walled. Here's our exhaust. Our suspension got real nice line, mounting holes. That's nice. Let's see, we got 2 suspension pieces laying in the bags. I don't want to lose those. And our oil pan. Looks like a really nice looking kit. I just never expected that engine to have that kind of detail in it. I mean, you could really dress that up and look like he's tore the top end off the engine. Leave the cylinder heads off, like he's working on it. Very cool. Set my tires in there. Here's the windows. Chrome tree. Let's open the body up, take a look at it. Just a nice clean body. And just a couple of... Well, that's cool. If you look on the roof, you can see where the seat belts are molded in. At the top. At least that's what it looks like. Same thing with the visors. Can't wait to build this. The oldest 442 is my dream car. If I ever had the money to own one. Get our body back in the bag. And let's just take a look at our instructions. So yeah, I think if we build it with the, maybe put the heads on it, but leave the valve covers and the intake off of it. I think that would look really cool. You can build it stock or custom. Suspension. Yeah, very cool kit. Once again, that's the AMT 69 Olds W30 442, skill level 2. And we'll also show you guys where I'm at on my 63 Corvette. I've got working on the interior. Got my steering wheel done, my shifter. Got my chassis done. I put red line tires on it instead of the tires that came with it. And I'm just working on the engine right now. Getting that all done. I just quick mounted the tires. I'm going to paint this suspension here. Paint that black. Probably paint this black as well. But just a quick update on that build. If you wouldn't mind, please subscribe, like the video, smash that bell, and leave a comment, as I welcome all comments. Other than that, you guys all have a great day.